Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing something different today, another female. It's been a while since I do female on my channel, and because I've been away, I'm all about women empowerment, inspiring women, and I want to share and spread love to more women beatboxers out there. So we're going to do MISFIRE today, unicorn beatbox. Okay, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to check out the original video, make sure you check out my description bar, the link is always there. And subscribe if you want to see more. Okay guys, let's jump into MISFIRE. I'm loving a unicorn outfit already. Let's see what she's saying. I'm all about empowering women, so if you are, make sure you give this video
Hi guys, it's MISFIRE from the USA, and this is a big shout out for my friend Paponi and Swiss Beatbox.
To the bass, man. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Hey. Go on. Oh. Wow, she's dope. She's my favorite. What? I love her already. What? Yeah. Whoa, I love her. I love her. Oh my god. Big up to my girl. What? Goddess. Unicorn goddess. Wow. Yes, this beatbox. I'm loving that this beatboxing community is so versatile. Oh my gosh, the diversity, man, the whole world is just amazing. The talent and the people that I'm seeing and meeting and getting to know in the beatbox community is amazing. I love it. She is amazing. I love her already. I can't even go into it. Her bass, her flow, you could tell my girl has been doing it. Okay, she's been practicing. Don't sleep on us females out here. I know I can't do anything, you know, I'm not a beatboxer, but don't sleep on them. She's fire. I want to see more beatboxing videos from her. If you know any videos from her that I need to see, or you might need to see, drop it below and I'll check it out for you guys. But I really love this video. You guys to go and check it out. I'm gonna watch it again. But if you want to see more reactions to me, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, share my videos if you want, and yeah, make sure you comment your requests and I'll try my best to do them. All right, the more requests, the more I'll do it faster. Okay, remember that, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace. It's summer, guys. I'm hot and I'm frustrated. I want to go outside, but it's raining. Bye guys.